Did you know that the traditional paradigm of technology is about to shift forever? The biggest tech companies in the world are currently engineering autonomous systems that will not just answer your questions but will execute business operations and life decisions on your behalf. This is the next frontier of artificial intelligence known as AI agents. For decades, humans operated computers like mouse tools through rigid commands, but that traditional model is completely shattering. The next generation of artificial intelligence is being architected not to chat but to take autonomous action within digital ecosystems. These agentic systems handle complex multi-step workflows with zero human supervision. They do not merely generate prose but analyze corporate goals to execute legal decisions protocols. For instance, if you instruct it to plan a global business trip, a legacy chatbot will only provide text suggestions. However, an advanced AI agent will automatically book flights, secure premium hotels, manage your enterprise calendar, and dynamically reroute schedule during unexpected flight delays. The AI transitions from a passive assistant to an active digital employee. Industry giants like OpenAI and Google Gemini are aggressively dominating this sovereign space. This structural evolution is predicted to be far more massive than the smartphone or internet revolutions combined. Legacy software required humans to manually program every line of logic, but AI agents decipher human intent to govern the invisible layers of digital labor automatically. Administrative workflows, corporate emails, and data coordination will be run by this synthetic active workforce. Global venture capitalists are injecting billions of dollars into this algorithmic infrastructure. However, the darker geopolitical and economic dimensions are highly complex. While it scales operational productivity, it simultaneously eradicates millions of cognitive white-collar jobs, including customer operation, core programming, and financial analysis. This technology targets cognitive workflows directly, as these agents acquire programmatic access to global financial grids and massive communication mainframes, and critical hallucination could trigger catastrophic failure across the global matrix. The ultimate question remains: once humanity completely delegates its operational control to these autonomous machine networks, are we stepping into infinite prosperity or quietly surrendering our sovereign dominance? Nobody knows. Subscribe to AI Revolution, smash the like button, and turn on all your notification bell to stay connected with our elite tech community. Join the frontier of the AI revolution.